Hello and welcome to how to make a trap with so people think it's a fridge. Here's an explanation. I'll show you how to build it in a minute. Now how to build it. Okay, what you're gonna want is a block of your choice, an iron door, and a button. So what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to place the dispenser on top of your block. And what the hell? And then you're gonna want to come around the back like this and place the door there like that. It's not that hard to do. You just gotta get it in the right spot. Then you're gonna want to put a fake wall or something on it, and if you got it in your house, yeah, just put it in your wall or something. And what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to place the button next to it, and come around and put some arrows in to it. And then, okay, then you're just gonna I think that's too many arrows. Then you're gonna want to quick shift them in. And if you don't know how to do that, you just hold shift and click on the item. And then you're gonna want to do that. And then you're gonna want to you don't want to this is just show that it works. So you press the button and then operate the door and the dispenser at the same time. So then, say if someone's about to die and they need some food, well, not really, but they're low on food and they need something to eat, they'll be like, oh, food. Wait, I'll just show you something. I'll just put this on creative for a sec, just to show you. And I'll put that. To make it look more like a fridge, and I want to get a sign, and place it on top, like this. What can I do? I'll just leave it like that. So say if someone as you can see, I got the My Little Pony mod. There someone comes up, press the button, and then get shot, and they'll run away. And then you have two fridges or something, and they come over to this one, get shot again. And yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope this is useful to you. Thank you, and goodbye.